Here I have PEUGEOT Expert, and let me show you how to create the list of radio stations. So at the very beginning, let's open the radio. All you need to do is use the music button located at the left side of the screen. Let's just tap it, and as you can see, you've got access to the radio. So you can here use the down bar to navigate. Let's choose here the frequency. So you can choose here manually the frequency of your radio. You can also select your list, and I've already have the list of my radio station. So those are the radio stations that have the strongest signal and the device found it by itself. But if you have here the empty list, all you need to do is use this refresh button. Let me do it again. Tap this refresh button, and the car is updating the list of radio stations. And that's it. As you can see, now you can have access to the following radio stations. Those are the strongest one. And for example, if you like one of the following radio station, for example, in my case, the following one, you can use the star button to add it to the presets. And now if you tap the presets, you've got the following preset of the favorite radio stations. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.